Hey guys, so this was my hair before the keratin treatment, really wavy and really damaged, and this is the look after the treatment. So you can see it's really smooth, shiny and really silky. I really loved it. So starting with the process is first they gently shampoo your hair twice with the global keratin clarifying shampoo to remove the excess styling product and to help to open the cuticle. Now depending upon how much dirty your hair is, they might shampoo it for 3 times. All depends upon the dirt of the hair, the product used. Now the next step is to towel dry your hair, and then they use a blow dryer to dry your hair. They so that it remove the excess moisture. They detangle your hair, then they blow dry your hair at least 70% so that they prepare your hair for the next step, that is applying the treatment, the main product. Now you can see they are applying the keratin treatment to my hair very gently with the dye comb, and then using a brush to spread the product completely to my hair. And this is a really time consuming process depending upon how the length of the hair. So the longer your hair, the more time will be consumed. Then the next step is, after doing this, they leave the hair for 30 to 45 minutes depending upon the texture of hair, and once the product has been observed by the hair, they detangle your hair, and then they use a blow dryer to dry the product so that the hair completely absorb the product. So they use a blow dryer on a medium heat setting, and this starts to help the sealing process of the cuticle, and it continue this process until the hair is 100% dry. Now you can see my dried hair. Now the last step is to iron the hair. So they set the iron machine at for 450 degrees, so which is the main degree for the ironing, and yes, until they get that silky shiny straight look and seal all the product the hair, and this is the final look, shiny, silky and smooth. Do not shampoo your hair for 48 hours, do not wet your hair, do not tie your hair. I will provide you all the other details after 2 to 3 days. So this was video 1. I hope you like it. Do not forget to share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.